We're here in the great snowstorm of January 2014 in Mississippi. I went and got me a bow. I'm about to string it up and practice because I'm worried the wolves are going to come out of the forest for warmth. And they're going to attack the humans. And yeah. So I'm going to try to string up this bow. Step. Step, right. Okay. Here we go. Okay. I'm going to use Jaylee to demonstrate where a human being would be standing, and I'm going to try to aim for that human being. Alright, so where her head is where I'm going to be aiming for, like William Tell. Da-da-da-da. Okay. This is my very first attempt at shooting this. Don't know if I'm doing it right.
And turn to a video of fails and see it.
Okay, that didn't look well. Oh, my fingers are burning. It's so cold. How did it get so insanely cold? This is mind-blowing. Okay. Fuck. Give me 1 second. Can't feel him. Okay. If you're left-handed, if you're right-handed, do you think you pull the arrow with your left hand or the right hand? I think you're supposed to only pull on the string itself, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Damn it. I should have YouTubed this first.
You only get one chance. If I get back in the house, I'm not coming back out.
Whoa. That's a good one. Okay, wow.
Was it?
Huh?
Was it though?
Yeah, I just sailed by this tree. I almost murdered it.
Okay. This is like torture.
I think it's going to be the last try. I'm going to come back tomorrow. I need to make sure it works for the night when the wolves come. Winter is coming.
Just winter is here. Ooh. Good.
Right?
Alright,
So
I saw that
I
one.
improved so quickly.
The ice is pounding me in the face.
Oh wait, I forgot to use the Ninja Star. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
You have it. You have to give it to me.
It's in my possessions.
Ting 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 tong. Yeah. Oh no, I lost it. I need your help. Come help me.
You find it? Oh, you found your arrow.
It's deep in the ground too because it's such a...
God damn
Yeah,
it.
I just got one of the eyes off.
I can't do this anymore.
Found it. We're good to go. Let's go home. Look at my fingers. They're like, I can't feel them. They feel frozen. Fun. Look at all this ice. It's an ice puddle. They're highly dangerous, way more than regular puddles.
Damn it tricks me every time.
Looks frozen, it's not. It's getting thick. Oh, adorable. Okay, let's get back inside. Finally made it back. There's the tree that we were shooting at. I'm glad we made it. Stay strong and stay warm.